Say hi to Windblade.
No time to chat, Bumblebee. Medical emergency.
Hear me! I used to fight in front of you. Now I fight for you! It is time we take control of our destiny. I see a future Cybertron for all Cybertronians! This is the beginning of a new era! From this day forward, we stand together till all are one!
You're welcome.
Ratchet, is he?
Trion's barely hanging on to his spark. He wanted me to wake him as soon as you arrived.
Honest God, save it. And when I had the chance.
Perhaps. But you did what you felt was right. Now it's not about what you could have done.
Prime's log. Our supplies are running low. Teletron 1, what is our status? In the meantime, to reserve what energon we have, all Autobots will go into stasis.
We need the rest.
We were on the moon, and that's when I saw this yellow beast thing. It was watching us.
Hold still.
And I know it has something to do with the Allspark. What do you think it was?
I think it was a bot who got hit in the head.
You should go help someone else, like Ratchet.
Primus, help me!
Apologies, Ratchet. May I help you with anything?
You should go help someone else, like Wheeljack.
He's been like this since he used the Matrix of Leadership.
Why does the Allspark not heal him?
Because there's nothing wrong with this spark. It must be the Matrix. I'm not sure if there's anything we can do to help him.
And behind every great commander is a fabulous crew. And that's each and every one of you. Yeah! Let's party!
Big explosion! They bring him in, one arm's dangling, left leg's just wires and metal, both optics hanging by a circuit. His brain module split open right down the...
I have to leave now.
It's a party, Ratchet, not a bot-topsy.
His brain module...
I'm Wheeljack. Here's another thing I made. I'm so smart. Enough!
It is located on the other side of the arc.
But to get there, we'll have...
I'm gonna make that medic need a medic.
Come back during visiting hours, you big scrud.
Hello, everyone. I was wondering where you were.
McAdam, what are you doing?
Watch out! They'll catch you!
Well, it's not my fault. This won't be a fair fight.
good old-fashioned jailbreak, that's what. Let's get moving.
There's nothing more I can do for her.
You're right, Ratchet. But maybe there's something I can do.
Good work. We'll get started on this right away. Receive Jetfire's last known location, Optimus. I'm about to enter Decepticon territory.
Maintain comm silence. We are counting on you, Ratchet. Optimus out.
Huh? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I'm on a rescue mission. Jetfire's down.
We're on a mission?
No, I'm on a mission.
Hey, Ratchet, up top. Down low? My legs!
I think we found him.
My legs! His head. He's missing his head. Don't look.
Missing his head. Hate when that happens. Look around. See if you can find it. Never mind.
Ratchet! Oh, I'm back! I thought I was going to be trapped in unspace forever!
Unspace?
You're telling me that your head was floating around in unspace?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I keep losing parts of my arm!
Looks like parts of your body are existing at different quantum frequencies.
It was that strange Decepticon ray.
We've got to get you dimensionally aligned. Rack and Ruin, go to the shuttle and get my subatomic stabilizer, the purple one. Huh? Hey, what?
How is this going to test it? I'm here.
Do your worst, you dirty triple changer. Huh?
Ratchet! Ratchet!
I'm on it, Jetfire. I'm on it. Rack and Ruin, where's my stabilizer?
The what?
The purple thing!
Oh, yeah! Got it!
Huh? It's gonna be okay. I've got what you need.
I just don't know how to think.
Don't worry about it. Welcome back. You're cured.
Fantastic! You are the pinnacle of medical...
Yeah, I know. Let's get out of here.
Come on! Let's go!
Rack and Ruin and Ratchet, well done.
Best mission ever!
Okay, looks like we're good to go.
I'm going to plug the tracker in. Transfer should begin in 2, 1. We did it! It worked.
We'll find the last 2 shards. No! Windblade!
Rack and Ruin and
Hello, everyone. What is this?
We are celebrating your return.
I don't have to tell you that Tarn and his forces have declared war on each and every one of us. We're outnumbered.
It saves me the trouble of hunting you all down. You must also contend with them. All of you!
Autobots!
Optimus, if you'll allow me. Autobots, beam out! To Soundwave! All are one! All